Hello smart people, welcome back to this commerce class. Today's video, I'll take you to medium.com where you find over 290 machine learning projects with Python. Okay, so this website will be shared in the description section where you can access it. Okay, so it has over 290 machine learning projects for beginners, which is already solved and also explained using Python. Okay, so we have the project here. Okay, so machine learning project. We have the credit score classification, weather forecasting. We have the Instagram reach analysis and prediction, online payment fraud detection. We have a lot of machine learning projects here. The COVID-19 death prediction. We also have time series analysis. So you have many here, many, which if you are a beginner, I think it will be the new or best step to take this project, and it's already explained and solved. Okay, so let's take one. Okay, so let's take the time series forecasting with ARIMA. Let's take this one. It's also a machine learning. If you are familiar with statistics, we have the time series model where we have the ARIMA, we have the ARIMA. Okay, so the ARIMA is the autoregressive integrated model. Okay, so it explains what the ARIMA stands for and what it's used for. Okay, so the time series forecasting with ARIMA, it explains about the project. So now let's start with the task of time series forecasting with ARIMA. I will first collect Google stock price data using the Yahoo Finance API. Okay, so we are using the Google stock price data using the Yahoo Finance. Okay, so as you can see, we have the Python language here, which is the machine learning. We have the import spendex, we have the import Y Finance. So here is importing the API. Okay, so here is the code and here is the output. So the head displays 5. Okay, so this is how time series model looks like. It's zigzag and it's also a moving trend. Okay, so we use a time series or the ARIMA model for prediction or forecasting. Okay, so you can see the trend. We have the seasonal trend, observe, and the residual. Okay, so we have the plot. Okay, so let's check another one. Let's check stress detection. Okay, so this one, so the stress detection is a challenging task. Okay, so as there are so many ways that can be used by people on their posts that can show whether a person is having psychological stress or not. Okay, so let's see the data. Okay, so they use data sets from the Kaggle, so kaggle.com. so Kaggle is another place where you can find or you can get data sets from. Okay, so this was the data set name, stress stress.csv. Stress.csv. Okay, so they've imported and also called the data and they've displayed it. Okay, so there's a function and there's a diagram or a plot. Okay, so there's the model. So there's the stress model. Okay. So there's the model. Okay, so it will split the data sets into two. We have the training and the testing. After you define the model, when you define the model, you fit the model with the X train and also the Y train. Okay, so here is the user input. Okay, so we have the AlexNet neural network architecture. It has a lot of projects which is very interesting and it's already solved, and you have the code. So you find the place they copied they took the data set which you can use. Okay, so that is all for today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment. And also don't forget to share. See you on the next video. Peace.